Welcome back, kids. Okay, let's start with the coding ahead. Now we want the same piece of code for the desired direction also, correct? So now you all know what to do, correct? Right click, duplicate. We want this to put it exactly. But we don't need 1, 2, 3, and instead of this, what we need? Desired direction, correct? So we'll put it desired direction right, desired direction left, desired direction up, and desired direction down. This helps us to make the ghost stay when the desired direction gets collided. When the ghost collides with any of the walls to reach in the desired directions. Okay. So same like in condition, we have to set the correct desired direction. Okay. Set desired direction. Here also same thing. Now side direction and direction values are different. If you think that if this one ghost is somewhere here and the backman is here, so what will be the desired direction? This one should go down from here. So but at random, if you check here, we have set to pick the random direction, correct? So it may happen that it comes here and then it goes through this black path. But here we don't know actually what will be the position of the ghost. We have to check and take the ghost to the nearest location to the background. So for that we have to put one if condition. Okay? Let's see how we will do that. Okay, now in this we will put end condition. By end condition we want to check whether the desired direction is not stable. Okay. At the same time, I have to select a number from 1 and 2 because we'll do a coin toss. Okay, coin toss. In coin toss, we have either heads or tails. So if head and not equals to stay is there, then only we have to set the direction to desired direction. Okay. So for that, we need not. Check. So this also what we want to check, variables, desired direction, system, stay. So not desired direction equals to stay. This means if desired direction is not stay, it can be up, down, left, right, but not stay. And we want to toss the coin. So when we toss the coin, we will again go to operators. For us it is a random number between 1 and 2. Consider 1 as a head and 2 as a tail. Okay. Again we'll make an equal to operator. Name it here. Place it here. Let's pick random number over here. Condition satisfies. What we have to do? Let us put this condition into this. Okay. So if this condition satisfies, then we have to set direction to desired direction. Okay, and this will place it here below switched costume. If we talk about costume, there will be multiple ghosts in this game, so each ghost should know their own costume. To set the costume, we'll create a variable. Costume icon for this one. Okay. Once the costume ID is created, what we will do is we will set the value of its value is 1. Okay. So we'll come back here, switch costume to, we'll take the variable. We'll take the variable costume ID. So these variables are very useful for the ghost to remember their costume. Each costume of the ghost should have an unique ID, which helps them to come back in correct costume. Okay. Is default set to the costume number, and the same costume ID will be used to switch the costume. Okay. Now we will set the targets for the ghost. Okay. So let's go up. We'll go to events. When flag clicked, here we are going to set the targets. Click on variables, click set. Set target what? Target X to 0, duplicate. Target Y to 48. What is this target X 0 and target Y 48? What is the main target of our ghost? The default position of the ghost will be somewhere here. So the main target of the ghost is to exit the block. So this position is X0 and Y 48. Clear? So first target is set. Till your target is set, you have to wait. Go to controls. In controls, you have to take wait until. Okay, wait until when? Wait until our X equals to 0 and Y position is 48 till it reaches here. Okay, so again go to operators. There we have end. Clear? Then go to motion. Motion what? X position. But before we put this, we again have an operator. Which operator? Equal. Where X position equals to 0, place this one here. Right click, duplicate, place this one here. Instead of X position, motion, go to Y position. Y position equals to 48. Okay. Once this target is achieved, we have another target, which is you have to go to the Pac-Man default position. Okay. Let's take this one here. Okay. How to go there? Again we have to set. Duplicate. Put this here. Remove our wait. That time target X is 0 and target Y is minus 80. Okay. If we try to understand, when the ghost is initialized, it is at the position minus 16x and minus 16y. Then it's at the target of 0 and 48. We wait till x and position are achieved. Then we set our ghost to the Pac-Man. Okay. Now we are ready with the movement of the ghost. We haven't clicked flag yet, so fingers crossed, and let's see how it works. See, we achieved. So our movement is working perfectly. Everything went perfect, but if you see, the collision code is not working properly, correct? So let's check the code. Yes, if you see here, switch costume, there should be a collision. So instead of costume ID here, we have to put it down. There should be switch caution to collision only. Bring it here and put it over here. Now let's hit the flag.
Imagine you are a farmer in the story. What would you have done when you saw that one turn had gone very big? काही नसते एवढं समजून करतो
See? Perfect. Okay, kids, in our next video, we will learn multiple ghost movements and try to kill the Pac-Man. See you. Bye.